Alright guys, today is an awesome day. So Kevin, I'd like to ask you, what day is it? It's Quiz Day! So we're going to get ready to board the Anthem of the Seas today. It's November 5th, 2023. We'll see you there. Here we go. We are off to Bayonne. It is 9 o'clock on the dot. Our aim time was 8:30. Not bad. Not bad for the parents.
Do you have them?
We got the pass. Oh, okay. Kev, good job, dude. You were supposed to remind Daddy.
I did too.
Right.
I did too.
All right, good job. Good job. High five, right? Oh, got you.
No,
All right.
I did it first.
No, I did it actually before you.
Guys,
It's cruise day.
Oh wait, look it was the ship that we saw. I see Gigi. I see Gigi.
It's November in Jersey, and we're super comfortable in our t-shirts. Just saying.
That's right. And we are on board the Anthem of the Seas, and our muster station is C1, so we're going to try and get that taken care of right away.
We saw Mike and Maria. They're upstairs. Yeah, they were waving down there.
All right, well, the first thing you got to do when you get on board is you got to go find something to eat. So a little tip, we found the Solarian Bistro. The kids are allowed up here. It's a little smaller buffet than the Windjammer, but good food. Let's eat. So, Brad, what do you think of the teen lounge?
Well, I'm old enough now, so I guess I'm cool.
Dad,
Oh, wow.
I'm jealous Brian gets to be here.
Pretty cool. You got some TVs,
Hey, Dad,
hangout area,
Dad. From the, you can see where
And
it
you can
says
see-
Anthem of the Seas.
Anthem of the Seas.
Sign up. You're on deck 12.
Very cool stuff. I know. Look, we're heading to Adventure Ocean.
We passed deck 13 on the way.
Kev, are you excited for Adventure Ocean?
Yeah.
All right, let's get this checked out here. All right, let's go see what we got here. Check that out.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Hello. How are you?
You got it.
All right, Kev, you're all registered for Adventure Ocean. Are you excited?
Yeah.
What are you looking forward to?
Well, I'm not sure what's in the other room because this is the one room for 6 to 8.
Show me. Let's go look it out. That looks like for the little babies, right?
Yeah, that looks right.
Oh, a little climbing thing. That looks cool. What else you got there, Kev?
That's just another station.
Oh, you guys can play on that.
Looks like that's the science lab.
Science lab.
I
Huh?
will be able to go in there.
Yeah.
I will be going.
You want to open the door?
No, it's locked.
It's locked.
Yeah, it's locked.
Okay. What else you got?
But this is my room, 9 to 11.
Nice. Can you see if we can get Katie in there too? The Explorer room. Photos are a no-no, but except on boarding day, we're allowed to do this. Pretty cool. All right, are you excited, Caitlin? Should we go find Mom?
Yeah.
Let's go find Mom. And Katie and Kev getting their first ice cream cone. What do you think? What do you think there, Kev? All right, let's go find Mom. There's Grandma! Well, one of the best parts of a group cruise is that initial meet and greet Sailaway party. We got everybody here. You're starting to see some familiar faces around here. We got hi girls. We got everybody here. There's Addie. We got everybody here. We are just about to leave from New Jersey, not New York. We do have the Statue of Liberty behind us right there. We got a North Star up there. We're at the North Star Bar, and you know, we're just meeting people all over the place. When it's Jersey week, you meet friends from all over Jersey. So they're all here, and we're getting ready to sail away. Here we go.
This is how we do it!
Ready? 1, 2, 3, swim!
And there's our cruise director, Danny, up there. And that's a sail away from New York. You get to see the statue, you get to see the skyline, and you get to see us. So, not quite as good, but there she is. Now let's go to the Bahamas. Always a very cool sail away from New York. And now it's time to go get situated in our room, get everything all set up, and head to dinner with our group. We're all sitting together tonight, so it should be a fun night. And then tonight, Spectre Cabaret. Come on along with us. All right, we're on Anthem of the Seas, and this is your stateroom tour of Junior Suite 9212. We're on the 9th deck here, room number 212. Junior Suites on Anthem of the Seas are one of the nicest things because the advantage of a junior suite, this room holds 5 passengers, and you get 2 bathrooms. So as soon as you enter the suite, immediately on your left, you have a half bath with your toilet and sink. And immediately on your right, as you see here, you have your full bath with sink, toilet, and shower. I have to unlock that right there. Very ample balcony with some really awesome chairs. And of course, when you leave out of New Jersey, you get a good look at the city skyline and the Statue of Liberty. So another cool part about a group cruise is dining with all of your friends.
Some of us not so friendly.
Really?
Say hi, guys.
Hi.
What is the best? Yes.
Wave.
Wave, Remy. Wave.
And that's how we cruise with friends. So we got it through dinner. We got everybody up here to the show. We are just ready to start at Spectre's Cabaret. We got our internet taken care of.
We got the internet fixed, so if you were in our live at Sailaway and you kept disconnecting, we are so sorry. We did get that fixed, and we are now on Starlink and having a fantastically perfect connection.
So here we are. We're going to get settled. We're going to watch the show. We got the kids all set here. We got the whole gang up in here.
Ladies and gentlemen,
And that's our cue,
And it's
guys.
time to
We'll let
start
you know
the
how the
show.
show is.
rock your body, child, shake, 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 senora, shake your body long.
Well, Spectre's Cabaret was not for everybody. Kids liked it, but not everybody loved it. So we are going to roll through the Royal Esplanade here. We are going to see what else is happening tonight. I don't think we're quite ready for bed yet, but this is a very unique, very cool ship, and maybe it's a little time for some piano, maybe it's a little time for some guitar, but we're not quite done yet, so let's see what else this ship has to offer.
What you want to do a hit?
Whatever you want.
Do you want to create something new? Now you click the glass. Now you can add.
No. Pick one of those two.
One of these two?
One of those two, yep. And cherry Coke?
Sure. Add to cart. And
Check out.
which one's gonna take it? I wanna make Dad. Can I do something? Sure.
Laughing and running, hey, hey, skipping and a jumping in the misty morning fog wind. Our hearts are thumping and you, a brown-eyed girl. You, my brown-eyed girl. Whatever happened to Tuesday and so slow? Going down the old line with the transistor radio, standing in the spotlight laughing. You're my wonder. Maybe, you're gonna be the one that saves me.
Well, that wraps up the end of day one on Anthem of the Seas. Man, what a great ship.
Awesome ship. Love the ship. It's our first time on a quantum class, and one of the best Sailaways that we ever had. We got super close to the Statue of Liberty. We left out of Bayonne. We got awesome views. Went under the Verrazano. Gorgeous weather for November.
Yeah, you
Can't beat it.
Couldn't ask for anything better. Super easy boarding, amazing weather. I mean, the kids were in the pool.
I mean, we were hot in short sleeves.
In November.
We were all bundled. We tried to bundle up. Anyway, great time. Guys, if you haven't been on Anthem, if you haven't left out of Bayonne, you got to do it. You got to try it. Highly recommend it.
Yeah, I mean, this is a great ship. We're having a blast. Looking super forward to day two. Meeting great people. Lots of awesome venues. And
old and new friends alike.
Yeah, it's been awesome. So if you haven't yet, click that like button, subscribe, and we will
see you on the seas.
Reaching out, touching me, touching you. See your light. Good times never seem so good. I'm in the light to believe in never would. Oh, now it goes like this, the fourth and fifth, minor fall on the major lift, baffled key, closing hallelujah, hallelujah, beautiful, hallelujah, hallelujah.